Cage flyback, rope and racing. Not in front is taken by Zing Melody. Rushing up, Golden Square. Now the outside, running by Willis Bonjour. And going along for the first turn is now Golden Square. Running by Willis Bonjour. Then followed by Atoy Forasa. Alain Kanihab, Zing Melody. Moving up, Terry Tune, Saba, and Simple Beauty. Into the back they travel. It is still Bonjour leading Balanka, followed by Golden Square from the outside. Second moving up, Zing Melody now in third. Down in fourth, Terry Tune running by the Willatoy for us. Here comes Simple Beauty and Saba. And inside the last 600, Bonjour leading by some 3 lengths now, followed now by Zing Melody. Running in third is Terry Tune, running by the wheel, Golden Square, Atoy for a Simple Beauty. And inside the last 400, it is still Bonjour leading by some 3.5 lengths, followed by Zing Melody in second. And towards the final turn, it is still Bonjour leading by some 3 lengths over Zing Melody. Golden Square running in third, Terry Tune, Simple Beauty, and Atoy for us. But still Bonjour, here comes Zing Melody. And finally it's Bonjour, Zing Melody, Golden Square, Terry Tune, Simple Beauty, Atoy for us.